I'm going to show you how to hide desktop icons or folders in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to hide desktop icons or folders, you just need to use your system settings. So just look at the top left corner where you can see this Apple icon. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you just need to tap on system settings, which is right above Apple Store. So after you tap here, just need to go to desktop and dock, which is right below control center right here. After you tap here, you have multiple options related to docks, stage manager and desktop, widgets, windows, mission control, and many more. You just need to focus on desktop, so it's right over here. So you can see this option that says show items. So as you can see, this button is toggled on. So in order to hide the desktop icons, you just need to turn this button off like this, and there you go. That's all you need to do, and in this way you have successfully hidden desktop icons or folders in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.